Hey everybody, my name is Enrico D'Amato. I'm the founder and owner of EV Trading Solutions, and what we do is we educate both experienced and beginner investors, teach them how to profit in the Forex markets using our software. Now, I'm not going to make this a very in-depth video. I'm just going to kind of go over the basics just to kind of show what this software is capable of doing. And I'm going to show a live trade showing how I was able to make over $9,000 in less than a minute. Okay, what I'm going to show now is how you use the actual software. Now you go into your strategies, you select the strategy, and now these are all the different features our software has. As I mentioned, I'm not going to really go too in depth into that. Now for this particular trade, we know is going to take place on a Monday at 10 o'clock. Now we don't know which direction the market's going to go, obviously. So we can select either long or short, a buy and a sell, long, either one, but obviously for this one we're going to use both. So now I'm going to show you how to input the different parameters within the software. As I mentioned, I'm not going to go over all the different features. I'm just going to show the basics. So what we know is this trade is going to take place on Monday at 10 o'clock. We know it's going to make a move. So now this is 7 years worth of data that we've been able to acquire over the years, so we know what works, so you don't need to guess or anything. You just simply, once you become a member, in our members section, you'll see all these different parameters here for each trade. There's dozens of trades that we could take each month. So for this particular trade, we're going to use a bracket of 5. Obviously our brackets, we're going to go in both directions. And we're going to enter 9, 59, 59. I'm going to trade 20 contracts, a target of 15 and a stop at 10. And obviously you would select your live account, and then you hit enable, you hit true, apply, and then the strategy is enabled. Okay, as I mentioned, we know the trade is going to take place at 10 o'clock. So right at 9:59:58, our brackets are going to enter the chart. Right now. And at 10 o'clock, boom, $9,160 in less than a minute. Well, that's just one of many examples to showcase what this software is truly capable of doing. I have many videos just like that I'm going to be posting on our Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube accounts. If you're thinking about purchasing our software, you could contact us at evtradingsolutions.com. Thanks for watching.